Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Most of the people are asking me that why I am saying that the Stellar can move up to $5. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the realistic analysis based on the facts and figures that how the Stellar has completed a bullish setup to move up to $5. In fact, I'm expecting more than that, but conservatively I'm saying that $5. Now, before starting the video, I would request you that if you did not subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me on the Patreon, then you can also join me there. I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And if you have already joined, then you should watch this video that I have posted today for my Patreon special. And this will help you understand how this bull market is working and how you can have an idea when the Bitcoin can end its bullish rally. Now I would like to show you the live weekly chart of the XLM. And here, I want to show you this move, first of all, back in 2017 when the price action of XLM formed this bad pattern. You can see this was the bad pattern that I've already shared in my previous videos with you guys. And this was the bad pattern that the price action of Stellar formed back in 2017. And after one bad formation on the weekly chart, it turned really very strong bullish and produced more than 4,000% rally. And we can see this rally here. And if we change the time period from weekly to daily, then we can see that this move was, as per Kraken Exchange, up to 51 cents. And let me just show you this move. This was the move, and you can see 1, 2, 3, and we had 3 major candlesticks, and after that the price action dropped down, even though after that the price action moved up, but eventually it moved down. Now, while moving down after this move, the price action, you can see here, on the monthly chart, first of all, let me show you this pattern. It formed another bad pattern. This was the next bad pattern, and this was the bigger than the previous one. You can see this was the first spike. After that, it is retraced here, moved up to this level, and completed this leg. Let me show you this chart that I've shared almost a year ago with you, that the XLM can move from this level up to this Fibonacci projection. And now I'm going to play this chart. You can see that the price action really turned bullish, and so far it has entered in my Fibonacci sell zone. So congratulations for the people who followed me this idea, and they're in a very, very big profit so far, but I'm expecting more powerful bullish rally. Now, if we move back to this live chart and change the time period again to weekly from monthly chart, then let me just show you this move on the weekly chart now. Okay, I'm just removing this pattern. And after this drop, you can see here the price action found this very strong resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, the price action moved sideways. And it is now turning parabolic on the weekly chart, not on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, we can see this parabolic move. Okay. The most important point that I want to show you is that it formed a very, very big bad pattern on the monthly chart that was visible on the monthly chart. And in the meanwhile, while moving down, it formed another shark move on the weekly chart, even though it has spiked. This was only a small spike on the weekly chart, and after that it dropped again. But it was another harmonic move and worked well. And here it formed another bullish cipher move on the weekly chart. And now finally it has formed another bad move here. Let me show you this move again. This was the initial leg and retraced between 0.382 to 0.618. And now here, there was a very small difference because it should be retraced up to between 0.786 to 0.886. But here it has been retraced up to 0.774. That is very small difference. That is acceptable for the bad pattern. So after retracing here, it is turned very strong bullish. And now you can see that this is completely parabolic on the weekly chart. Let me give you another example. For example, This was the chart that I shared back in 2019 when I told you that the price action of Bitcoin can move up to $30,000. This was my video that I shared, and this was the chart I shared with you. And here I predicted that the Bitcoin can hit even $30,000. And here the price action of Bitcoin was completing a Gartley move. And it was retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. I predicted that it will be moved up to this level and it will be behaved like Gartley move. And after that, it will be moved up to this level. And from there, it can again start the next bullish rally. Now I'm just playing this chart. You can see that it moved up to that level. And after that, it is retraced in this potential reversal zone and moved up to this level again. Now here, the price action of Bitcoin here formed another Gartley move that I shared with you in the month of April when all the markets were moving down due to COVID-19 situation. And I told you that the price action of Bitcoin has completed another Gartley move, and from here it can turn really, really strong bullish. And I remember that how much criticism I received those days when I shared this idea that all the markets are moving down. Atif, why are you sharing this idea? This bullish idea, but I only share the calculations, the harmonic calculations with you. Whatever I receive, whatever I understand, I share with you that this is the Gartley move, and as per Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley or BAT or cipher, whatever, it should be moved up from here. So as per Gartley move, as per Gartley sequence, it moved up from here. You can see so far it has rallied more than 500%. At that time it was $6,800 and now it is above $42,000. The basic point that I want to convey you is that the continuity of the harmonic moves, especially on the long term, like here on the monthly chart, it formed two Gartley moves, is a big signal that there can be a huge move, huge wave in the price action, a bullish wave in the price action of any asset. And here, in the situation of XLM, we are having so many harmonic moves on the weekly chart and on the monthly chart as well. Let me give you another example. Back in July 2020, we can see that I have been sharing all these ideas one by one, these moves one by one with you guys in the form of videos and the articles as well. Like it formed first here the BAT pattern, the Bitcoin formed this BAT pattern on the daily chart, then formed this another BAT, then formed a shark move, and then it formed finally the cipher move. And I told you in those days that the continuity of these bullish harmonic moves are the big signal that the price action can turn very, very strong bullish. And we can see that the price action completed this cipher move and finally turned really very strong bullish. So here we have, if we take a look at the XLM chart here, then on the weekly chart, we have so many harmonic moves formation, and it has turned parabolic now. You can see on the weekly chart, it is turning parabolic now, and it is just the beginning, and it has rallied more than 700%. It was around at 5 cents, and now it is moving above 30 cents. And here you can see it has spiked up to 41 cents, beyond 41 cents. So it has rallied more than 700%, but this is just the beginning, very small rally. And we have already received a very, very big bullish signal that is the formation of the harmonic moves on the long-term charts. This is the basic reason I'm expecting that it can move up to $5. Even I'm expecting more than $5. So the price action can turn really, really strong bullish. This is the final key level resistance as per Kraken exchange. And I want to tell you one more thing, that back in 2017, it went very close to the dollars. That was 92 cents as per some other exchanges. As per Kraken exchange, the highest price was 51 cents. So if the price action formed one bad pattern on the weekly chart and turned very strong bullish, and that was a rally of only 2 or 3 days, but here we have so many signals that it is forming again and again different harmonic moves, and it has already formed a very big bad pattern that we have already seen here. Then why it cannot go? By the way, last year in this article, I was expecting $2, but at this time I'm expecting $5 or more than that. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the video. Then do hit the like, and if you would like to support me on the Patreon, then you can join me there. I have shared the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.